Hello everyone, praise the Lord. Very good morning. I'm happy that God has brought us together even in this new day. May the name of the Lord alone be glorified. And as we meditate His word shall come to us and He shall speak to us. Today's meditation is from the book of Acts chapter 13 verses 36 and 37. Now when David had served God's purpose in his own generation, he fell asleep. He was buried with his ancestors and his body decayed. Body was destroyed. But the one whom God raised from the dead did not see decay. That is the very important thing we'll have to notice. If you add the 35th verse, you will get a clear idea. The Bible is very clearly talking about a very important doctrine over here. Paul is mentioning a very important doctrine over. He did not just mention to say that God prophesied through his servant that his Holy One will not be decayed. And he did that. Paul knew through God that there will be fools coming around to say there is no death for human beings. The immortality. There will be people to speak about this. So we will have to mention this. So Paul went on to mention in the next verse. Why did Paul chose David? Because David was the one who was very close to God's heart. He was very next to God's heart. He was after God's own heart. So Paul mentioned David and said even that man was dead, buried, and his body was decayed. So Paul wants to tell us, Apostle Paul wants to tell us, we will die, this body will be decayed. Do not believe in the foolish doctrines to say we will not die. Immortality belongs to us. The Bible very clearly says the immortality belongs to Jesus. It does not belongs to us. We will die, we will be buried, our bodies will be decayed. When Jesus comes on the cloud, we will be resurrected again in the glorious body, not in this human body. This human body will be destroyed in this earth. So do not believe when somebody says we will not die in this world. Paul wanted to let us understand very clearly, the God whom we serve lives forever, but we as human beings, there is death destined for us. And the Bible very clearly says, being born once and being dead once is set for everyone. It is fixed for everyone. Nobody can say this man will not die. Every human being has to be dead in this world. But only Jesus, who was dead, buried, but was not decayed, resurrected again, and seated on the throne forever and ever as a king. But we will die.